going to develop a timeline in an Excel sheet. So first of all, we have to select this area. Let's say, for example, if we have this dates, start date and end date, where we are going to draw a bar chart timeline. We have start date and we have end date. Now we are going to select this area where we want to draw the bar graph. We'll click on conditional formatting, new rule. Then we will click on use a formula to determine which cells to format is equal to and then the first timeline value is 1st July 26. So the third row is 3. Is greater than or equal to then we will select the start date, which is B4, comma, then again the start date of the timeline, which is 1st July 26, and the $3 less than or equal to the finish date, which is 5th of July. $C4, and we'll put the color blue color. Okay, so you see the timeline is drawn. So this is how we apply the conditional formatting. You can go again back to the manage rules, and then we can double click here and we can see the formula which we have used. Thank you, and keep watching and subscribing the channel.